Hi everybody. So आज हम देखेंगे year based puzzle. This is the question which is displayed on screen. In this हमें कुछ parameters दिए गए होंगे on the basis of which we have to calculate the ages of the people they have given to us and कुछ variables रहेंगे जिनको हमें determine करना है किसके साथ कौन सा variable बैठता है and some calculation based puzzle is this. So let's see how to solve this. So here are the 6% A, B, C, D, E and F, like different color among brown, green, red, orange, yellow and so on. The age of each person is calculated as on a particular date in 2018. Guys, note here कि यहाँ पे हमें years दिए नहीं गए हैं. We have to determine them. कुछ link दिया होगा, on that basis we have to determine everyone's born year, also their ages, and we have to fit the color accordingly. Okay. So, यहाँ पे एक special note दिया है. The last two digit or the reverse of the last two digit of the year in which person is born can be the age of the another person. For example, if A is born in the year 1946, then age of B can be either 64 or 46. मतलब हमें ये कंडीशन है, अगर ऐसा कंडीशन कोई आगे आता है then we have to proceed like this. Okay, let's come into the conditions. A was born in 1985. Okay, एक का हमें directly born year दिया है. What else? The difference between ages of A and B is 21 years. Okay, if we see, if we calculate age of A और हमें base till the 2018 तक calculate करना. So in this era, what in many question what happens कि they give us the age year in 19s and हमें calculate करना पड़ता है 2000 के range. Okay, so in that case you have to divide the age into parts. Like consider 1964 age born year है and they have said कि calculated on 2005 till between. So 64 से 2000 तक and 2001 से 2005 तक. Here we are having 5 years और यहाँ पे हमें 36 years. Which means add these two numbers and you will get the age as a 41 years. Okay? ये करने से confusion reduce होता है and calculation भी बहुत fast होता है. Okay? So here it is a trick. Let's proceed further. Okay, अभी on that basis if we calculate age of the A, then we will get 85 से 2000 तक we get 15 years and 2001 to 2018 we get 18 years, which is nothing but 33 years. Okay. Now, they have given the difference between the ages of A and B. अभी यहाँ पे खाली difference दिया है. They have not considered कि कौन age में बड़ा है या कौन age में छोटा है. So यहाँ पे दो possibilities आती है. एक तो B जो है A से age में छोटा होगा. In that case, we get age of the B as यहाँ से 21 minus करूँ तो age of the people I'll get is 12. And if B is a 12 years, so 18 से मैं 12 minus करूँ, then I'll get 2006. So born year of the B becomes 2006. And another case here becomes 54. If I add 21 and 33, then the age of the B becomes 54. And the born year, यहाँ से 21 minus करो 85 से, it will become 4 and 6, 1964. Okay. अबे यहाँ पे हमें parallelly थोड़ा proceed करना होगा. Let's see. The C's age is the sum of the digit of the year in which B was born. Okay, मतलब अगर B इसमें 2006 में born है, then C का जो age होगा, that will be 2 plus 6, 8. Which means he is born in 2010. and in here 1 10 plus 10 20. So C ka age here will be 20, which means he will born in 1998. Okay. The one who likes yellow color is 5 years older than C but did not born in 2005. Okay. अगर मैं येलो कलर जिसको पसंद है वो 5 साल से C से बड़ा है, which means he has to born in 2005 if C is born born in 2010. But यहाँ पे बोला है कि ये condition नहीं possible नहीं है. So basically he is not born in 2005. So we clearly narrow down for B's age कि B has to born in 1964, which is 54 years, and C 1998, which is 20 years, and we get one more. If 5 years se bada hai, which means he is 25 years old, the one who likes yellow, and he has to born in 1993. Okay. E's age, abhi we are on third condition. E's age equal to the last 2 digit or the reverse of the last 2 digit of the year in which the person who likes yellow was born. Only one person was born before E. Okay. जो हमें नोट दिया था वो कंडीशन, similar condition is here. So yellow is 93 में. So the one मतलब E का एज either 93 होगा या तो 39 होगा. ओके. अभी ये दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है हमारे पास. लेट्स फर्स्ट come down here. जो हमारे पास 6% फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड द सिक्स्थ. हमें क्या बोला गया है यहाँ पे कि जो E है उसके पहले only one person was born before E. So I can say कि E is on a second number, right? I can say that, right? अभी E अगर और सेकेंड नंबर पे है तो फर्स्ट नंबर पे अभी कुछ E के लिए दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है, which is nothing but 93 and 39. We are not sure कि कोई anybody is there who is greater than 93. So let's hold on for that. Okay. C like blue. Okay. Only 2 person born before the person who likes red. Okay. यहाँ पे मैंने 1 and 2. Okay. 2 person. So red जिसको अच्छा लगता है, this person will be here. Okay. What else they have given? F is 24 years younger than the person who likes red. Basically F जो है वो छोटा ही है red से. So F नीचे ही आएगा. Okay. The person who numbered year, okay. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा sentence jumble है. The brown was even numbered year. The person who likes brown color born in the even number year. Basically इसका कोई just cut this out. Okay. The person who likes orange is younger to the one who likes green. So green जो है वो age में orange से बड़ा है and both of them are born in odd number years. Okay, odd number year. Now, if I see यहाँ पे A का एज मेरे पास ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, B का आ चुका है, C का आ चुका है, E का जो है ऑलमोस्ट आ चुका है बट आई एम नॉट श्योर. What we are left with F. F तो जो है वो रेड से छोटा ही है, सो बेसिकली एफ को यहाँ पे चांस नहीं है. So if we consider 93, it becomes the greater than all. And if we consider E 39, then there is a possibility कि ये second पे आए, because we are having on one person who is older than E, which is B, of age of 54. Okay, so if I consider B here, okay, मैं यहाँ पे अभी ये सब यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. E को मैं यहाँ प्लेस करूँ, रेड को मैं यहाँ प्लेस करूँ, E का एज 39 है, ओके, 54 है, which is B, was born blue, this is yellow, 1964. E is born 39 years. If we see, इसमें से 18 अगर मैं माइनस करूं, then I get 1. 21 years, so 1979, born year of E. Okay, if I see कि 33 है, F जो है 24 year younger to the one who likes red. If I place A here of 33 years, 25 years yellow, 20 years C, and the F who is 24 years younger than A, मतलब red वाला जो है. So I'll get 9 here. Okay. यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है सबको. A का जो born year है वो 1985 है. इसका जो born year है वो 1993 है, येलो का, and C का जो है 1998 है. And the person F, he will be in 2009. Okay. What else we are having? C जो है वो blue color है, yellow. और अभी हमारे पास एक ही क्वेश्चन इंसान बचता है, वो इज ABC D, इज नथिंग बट D. बाकी हमारी सारी कंडीशंस यहाँ पे बैठ रही है. As I am taking E is 39 years old. Yes, because 93 के लिए स्कोप ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay. What else we are having? Green and orange. Okay. Green जो है वो orange से बड़ा है, and both of them have born on odd number years. Okay. अगर green, okay, 64 पे तो green नहीं आ सकता because this is even number year. 79 और 2009. Yes. So we got the clue here. कि green जो है वो 79 में born है और 2009 में जो है वो orange. What? And the remaining color is brown. And the brown जो है वो even number year में born है. If we see here, the 64 is a brown even number year, so brown has to be here. So ये जो था हमारा year based puzzle था. काफी complicated conditions थी. If we narrow down conditions on the basis of the given calculation, तो हमारा ये puzzle हो गया. But अगर हम हर एक possibility check करते बैठते, it takes a lot of time. You have to eliminate as quickly as possible. थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के, जैसे कि if I have to E as a 93 है और मैं चेक करते बैठती, then the puzzle lengthy हो जाता था. मैंने एक ही ऑब्जर्व किया कि B 54 है, उसके से सब डाउन है, उसके से सब छोटे हैं बाकी के जो एलिमेंट्स है, and E is the one who is the second highest. So I took this condition और वो बैठ गया. So you have to observe accordingly और आगे जाके solve करना है. और वैसे भी अगर स्टक हो रहे हो तो आपको वैसे भी पीछे आके फिर से सॉल्व करना ही होगा. So it's better to go with the more likely possibilities than trying and testing each and every possibility at a time. Thank you so much. Keep learning.